This is the Schrade SCHA7SMB Mini Assisted Opening Liner Lock Folding Knife. Razor sharp, the SCHA7SMB is the mini version of Schrade's SCHA7B and bears all the traits of its parent, but in a scaled-down knife perfectly suited for discreet carry. The fully open 5.9-inch knife is concealed in black, from the tip of the AUS-8 stainless steel high-carbon blade to the butt of the aluminum handle. Before opening, disengage the safety. Blade deployment is accomplished by using either the index flipper or the ambidextrous thumb knobs. Once started, the magic assisted opening mechanism continues to move the blade into the fully open position. When fully open, the blade is secured in place by a steel liner lock. The 2.6-inch clip point blade's angular tip provides ample penetration strength, followed by a slicing sharp edge. Control is increased by sliding your thumb forward, taking advantage of the blade's spine side contour. The 3.3-inch handle features a coarse black powder coating. This combines with the strategically placed jimping and the ergonomic handle contours to create a positive grip surface, even when the knife is subjected to varying environmental conditions. Use the lanyard hole to tether the SCHA7SMB to your wrist when extra retention is needed. To close, move the liner lock to the side with your thumb and rotate the blade back into the handle. Secure the blade by engaging the safety, covering the red dot indicator. Use the steel clip to attach the knife to a pocket or pack. Elegantly discreet at just over 2.5 ounces, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime.
This is the impromptu tactical pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Right in the Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions.